Dear students, so in this video we are going to solve a problem on inventory model. The purpose of the objectives of carrying inventory is to store the optimal numbers of products and to deliver the products whenever there is a demand. Okay, there are four types of deterministic inventory models. First one is purchasing model without shortages allowed. Second one is manufacturing model without shortages allowed. Third one is purchasing model with shortages allowed. And fourth type is manufacturing model with shortages allowed. Okay. First, before going to solve the problem, we have to identify the type of inventory model. Okay. So here is the problem statement. A manufacturer has to supply his customer with 600 units of his products per year. Shortage is not allowed and storage cost amounts to 60 paise per unit per year. The setup cost is rupees 80. Find the economic order quantity, the minimum average yearly cost, the optimum number of orders per year and the optimum period of supply per optimum order. Manufacturer அப்படிங்கிற word mention ஆயிருந்தது அப்படின்னாலும் there is no data about the manufacturing cost of the product. Okay, so this problem can be considered to be a purchasing model. So the annual demand of the item is denoted by capital R, that is 600. Holding cost C1 is given as 60 paise per unit per year. So that is 0.6 rupees per unit per year. Setup cost is C3, that is rupees 80. So it is asked to find out the economic order quantity and the optimal annual carrying cost, then optimal number of orders per year and the optimal time between two consecutive orders. Okay, so there is no shortages allowed. So this problem comes under purchasing model with shortages not allowed. First model. Okay, so the formula for economic order quantity for the first model is root 2C3R divided by C1. So by substituting C3R and C1 available in the problem, we will get the EOQ value as 400 units per order. Then to find out the minimum average yearly cost, that is the annual optimal carrying cost, the formula is root 2 C1 C3R. The value is 240 rupees. Then to find the optimum number of orders per year, that is N star, we can use this formula 1 by T star. Okay, so T star is the optimal duration between two consecutive orders. Okay, so எவ்வளோ period interval we have to place the order that will be optimum, that is T star. The formula is Q star by R. So Q star value has been identified in the previous steps. So 400 divided by 600, that is 0.6667 year. So multiplying this by 12, we can get the value in terms of months, 8 months. Okay. So N star is equal to 1 by T star, 1 by 0.6667, that is 1.5 per year. So approximately it is 2 orders per year. In the fourth subdivision, it is asked to find out the optimum period of supply per optimum order. So we have calculated this in the previous step. T star is 8 months.